Okay, what's up guys? So today we took the front wheel off of this old beat up Huffy, and today we found this in my garage. Random Huffy. It didn't have a front rim. We stole it off of that. And we're restoring it today. And he's trying to get that in there. I have an idea. Take the front wheel off. I mean the front rim.
Hold on.
Oh, keep going down.
Alright.
Alright, you take the camera. I'll get it whack at
No,
this.
I got it. Hold on.
No, I want to hit on the bar. Okay. What are you doing?
That helps.
I didn't do anything. Alright.
The old Kenny up there did.
Oh yeah, this is a Kenworth.
Old Ken with P600.
Trace, you look so short right now.
I know, because I am short.
Dude, that's perfect in.
Oh,
Look how perfect that is in, guys.
I know. So good.
See, this rim is like a tad bit wider than this fork. Well, that's a badass sticker. So it's a tad bit wider, so we had to hammer it in. Right into. Pretty sick design on the tire. And this is just standard mountain bike tire. This is just like street bike tire, like Puffy, just like that. And there's my baby girl right there. There she is. Put pegs on her. And yeah, so we'll get back to you guys when we have it out as in riding. Oh, the bars are bent too. We'll get back to you guys when this is done. So we'll see you guys in a little bit.